Just like I promised you guys, it is time for Christmas decor. So I used a leftover pumpkin and a pair of socks from the Dollar Tree. So guys, hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Shalonda. I create videos about DIYs, lifestyle, and organization. And if you've already been living life with lawn, thank you for returning for another video. First, what I'm gonna do is give this pumpkin a coat of paint. I'd like to thank Heidi Sonboul for hosting this DIY challenge. I will list her playlist in the description box below. You wanna make sure that this dries completely. So I was basically going back and forth with my paintbrush to smooth out any extra paint. Then I grabbed my paint pen and I made some very simple eyes. These simple eyes, guys, I literally just went in a circle and left a small white dot. And next I went in with a orange paintbrush. I will link that color in the description box below to make a carrot nose. So who's ready for Christmas? Who has already put their Christmas tree up? Leave me a Christmas tree emoji below. Let me know what colors you guys are gonna do. I'm still up in the air. Our Christmas tree is up, but there are no decoration on it. Going in with some pink, a pale pink, to kind of make his cheeks rosy because it's cold outside. I don't know, guys. I'm a little weird, okay? Where I'm at, we are able to still wear short sleeves, shorts, and flip-flops. Kind of going and dabbing it out a little bit so it doesn't look too harsh of a line, if that makes sense. I love to spread my paint with a wet, or I won't say wet, but a damp paper towel. Every snowman has to have a smile on his face, right? Now to cover his head with a nice warm sock. So I had to play around with this just a little bit because I knew that I had a lot of sock. The length of the sock was really long. So I had to glue it first in the back to kind of help me hold it down. And then I just kind of went in a scrunchy twisting motion to get it to all come together. After I put the little sock on, I was like, oh my gosh, he's so, so cute. And here he is, up close and personal. What do you guys think? So let's move on to craft number 2. You're going to need a pack of the Dollar Tree plastic ornaments. You want to pop the top off and select a paint of your choice. You want to twist this around until the paint is evenly distributed throughout the ornament. I'm going to definitely turn this upside down and let it dry thoroughly. Next, I went in with some jute and wrapped it a couple of times around my fingers to make a bow. I did have a bit of challenge getting this jute to adhere to the top of the ornament. So what I suggest is you take a couple strands and go around the middle part and then hot glue the bow onto the twine around. I hope that makes sense. I added a few embellishments. And here's the official first ornament of our 2020 Christmas tree. All right, here we go with craft number 3. You're gonna need the Let It Snow sign. So I just basically painted the Let It Snow sign with the paint, apple barrel in the color Parrot Blue, and then I went back in and colored the snowflake white, and I sprinkled on some glitter. This is probably the easiest of the three. However, it is the messiest because of that faux glitter, but this is how it turned out. So guys, thank you so much if you've made it this far in the video, and thank you again for supporting my channel. Comment below and let me know which craft you like best. I think personally it's going to be the snowman for me.